sign, board, merchandise, on display, notebook, painting, document, rack, article of food, groceries, scenery. Be looking at merchandise on display. Be looking in a drawer. Be looking out the window. Be examining some papers. Be facing some equipment. Be gazing at a painting hung on a wall. Be gazing out at the scenery. Be focusing on the computer screen. Be watching a musical performance. Be viewing a document in a notebook. Shade, path, motorcycle, luggage, baggage, opposite, rocking chair, stairs, lobby. Be sitting around the fountain. Be standing behind the counter. Be walking up a stairway. Be strolling along the water's edge. Be crossing a street. Be waiting by the train tracks. Be leaning on the railing. Be riding a bicycle by the water. Be boarding a bus. Be getting into the vehicle. Be exiting through a door. Be disembarking from the aircraft. Item, lid, suitcase, photocopier, baby stroller, package, device, rack. Be holding up some merchandise. Be holding headphones with both hands. Be lifting a chair off the floor. Be reaching for a book. Be pushing a button. Be pushing a cart. Be pointing at something on a paper. Be positioning a sheet of paper on the glass. Be placing a file folder. Be taking a book from the bookcase. Be turning a page. Be throwing away some garbage. Be unfolding a map. Be carrying some plants. Meeting, round table, overhead projector, conference hall, filing, notepad, handout, group discussion. Be working at a desk. Be handling some documents. Be arranging the desk. Be organizing files on a shelf. Be operating a computer. Be typing on a keyboard. Be signing a paper. Be carrying a briefcase. Be delivering the mail. Be having a discussion. Heavy equipment. Heavy machinery. Wheelbarrow. Protective glasses. Protective gear. Work vest. Safety helmet. Building materials. Tool belt. Container. Electrical wire. Be working at a construction site. Be working on a construction. Be working at a table. Be riding on a bicycle. Be operating heavy machinery. Be inspecting the motor of the car. Be building a rock wall. Be laying bricks. Be painting a window frame. Be using a shovel to dig a hole. Be taking a measurement. Fence. Porch. Warehouse. Pile. Broom. Flower bed. Floral arrangement. Renovation. Be watering the plants. Be trimming some branches. Be taking care of some plants. Be picking some flowers. Be sweeping the floor. Be mopping the floor. Be raking leaves on the ground. Be cutting grass in a pasture. Be pushing an empty cart. Be climbing up the ladder. Be transporting some items on a cart. Pot. Apron. Cupboard. Pitcher. Tablecloth. Faucet. Utensil. Bake shop. Be cooking some food. Be chopping up some vegetables. Be wearing an apron. Be setting a table. Be using a sink. Be shopping for groceries. Be eating inside a restaurant. Be having a meal. Be ordering food. Be serving food to the customers. Be pouring water into a glass. Be packing some food into the plastic container. Performance. Shore. View. Scenery. Amusement park. Seashell. Camping gear. Paddle. Deck. Swing. Backpack. Be attending a concert. Be watching a film. Be fishing from a boat. Be traveling through the canyon. Be playing a game. Be kicking a ball into the air. Be packing a suitcase. Be screening some luggage. Be hiking in the forest. Be reading a sign near the water. Display case. Patio. Carton. Tray. Refreshments. Patron. Arrangement. Purchase. Grocery. Cash register. A stack of. Unoccupied. Be stacked on the table. Be being used in the store. Have been placed on the counter. Have been organized in 2 rows. Have been displayed for sale. Be displayed in the showcase. The tables are unoccupied. Menus are provided for diners. Drawer. Ledge. Rack. Doorknob. Nightstand. Office equipment. Be sitting on a shelf. Be lying on the table. Be being thrown out. Be being lifted off the floor. Be situated on the lawn. Be being mowed. Be posted on the board. Be being sprinkled with a hose. Be hosing down. Have been arranged on the wall. Coats have been hung from hooks. The clock faces are round. The plant is in the corner. Ground. Background. Cliff walls. Fountain. Dock. Pier. Port. Pasture. Empty. Sailboat. Be floating down the river. Be casting shadows. Be suspended over a stream. Have been left on the sand. Be being gathered into a pile. Be securing a boat to the dock. There are buildings on the hill. The parkway is walled by boards. The railing runs above the top of the curved wall. Railings surround the top deck. Waves are crashing against the rocks. Traffic signal. Pavement. Sidewalk. Lane. Curb. Dirt. Soil. Earth. Construction site. Safety device. Trench. Lumber. Run along the edge of the road. Be parked along the street. Be directing traffic at the intersection. Be being towed. Be digging a hole in the soil. Be removed from the car. Be being repaired. Be being trimmed. Be on multiple levels. A ladder has been propped against the house. Bicycles have been secured to a metal post. There's no car traffic in the alleyway. Windshield. Seatbelt. Conductor. Final destination. Trolley. Traffic light. Runway. Airstrip. Driveway. Commuter. Boarding gate. Be boarding the train. Be riding the boat. Be stepping down from the train. Be pulling into the station. Be carrying bags up the stairs. The platform is empty. An airplane is on the ground. Train cars are connected. Scenic view. Window frame. Wire fence. Newsstand. Street vendor. Lamppost. Sign. Open air market. In a row on the opposite side. Be assembling a gate. Be sitting outdoors. Be seated on a bench. Be resting on the lawn. Be under construction. The street is deserted. There are cars in the parking area. There is a long line of people. The road is being paved. A large crowd has gathered in the plaza. There is a newsstand on the street corner. Stethoscope. Injection. Medication. Medicine. Thermometer. Customs officer. Librarian. Lecture hall. Corridor. Be standing in a lobby. Be walking along the hallway. Be lined up on both sides. Be scattering leaflets in the streets. Be leaning against the bulletin board. Be covered with fallen leaves. Be pulling a cart. Public telephones are being used. A parking area is divided by trees. Musical piece. Music stand. Choir. Performer. Player. Artwork. Sculpture. Pedestal. Portrait. Pottery. Subject. Indoor track. Weight. Gym. In a competition. Be giving a performance. Be applauding the performance. Be bowing to the audience. Be gathered in the auditorium. Be purchasing admission tickets. Be viewing some artwork. Be drawing one's attention to artwork. Be dismantling a display. Be getting film developed. There are framed paintings on the wall.
Stand at the front desk.
Stand at the front desk.
Speak to the receptionist.
Speak to the receptionist.
Check in.
Check in.
Check out.
Check out.
Take suitcases from a vehicle.
Take suitcases from a vehicle.
Sit in a lobby.
Sit in a lobby.
Move luggage.
Move luggage.
Carry a suitcase.
Carry a suitcase.
Pack a suitcase.
Pack a suitcase.
Load suitcases into a bus.
Load suitcases into a bus.
Play musical instruments.
Play musical instruments.
Applaud the performance.
Applaud the performance.
Take a photograph.
Take a photograph.
Adjust a camera.
Adjust a camera.
Admire a painting.
Admire a painting.
Rest outdoors.
Rest outdoors.
Walk along the path.
Walk along the path.
Take a boat ride.
Take a boat ride.
Row a boat.
Row a boat.
Float on the water.
Float on the water.
Sail on the sea.
Sail on the sea.
Be tied up at the dock.
Be tied up at the dock.
Pass under the bridge.
Pass under the bridge.
A bridge over the water.
A bridge over the water.
Along the shore.
Along the shore.
Work on the documents.
Work on the documents.
Do some paperwork.
Do some paperwork.
Sign a document.
Sign a document.
Organize the documents.
Organize the documents.
Handle some documents.
Handle some documents.
Look through a report.
Look through a report.
Take notes.
Take notes.
Write on a piece of paper.
Write on a piece of paper.
Work at a desk.
Work at a desk.
Operate a computer.
Operate a computer.
Look at a screen.
Look at a screen.
Stare at a monitor.
Stare at a monitor.
Work on a laptop.
Work on a laptop.
Make a copy.
Make a copy.
Use a copier.
Use a copier.
Talk on the telephone.
Talk on the telephone.
Make a presentation.
Make a presentation.
Address the audience.
Address the audience.
Speak into a microphone.
Speak into a microphone.
Point at the screen.
Point at the screen.
Attend a conference.
Attend a conference.
Watch a presentation.
Watch a presentation.
Listen to the speaker.
Listen to the speaker.
Occupied.
Occupied.
Unoccupied.
Unoccupied.
Face each other.
Face each other.
Wear a suit.
Wear a suit.
Shake hands.
Shake hands.
Exchange business cards.
Exchange business cards.
Crossroads.
Crossroads.
Move in both directions.
Move in both directions.
Drive a vehicle.
Drive a vehicle.
Be parked.
Be parked.
Be towed.
Be towed.
Block traffic.
Block traffic.
Be stuck in traffic.
Be stuck in traffic.
Direct traffic.
Direct traffic.
Pedestrians on the sidewalk.
Pedestrians on the sidewalk.
Crosswalk.
Crosswalk.
Traffic light.
Traffic light.
Stop at the traffic light.
Stop at the traffic light.
Cross the road.
Cross the road.
Parking lot.
Parking lot.
Be parked along the street.
Be parked along the street.
Be parked in a line.
Be parked in a line.
Be lined up in rows.
Be lined up in rows.
Get into a car.
Get into a car.
Get out of a car.
Get out of a car.
Passenger.
Passenger.
Wait in line.
Wait in line.
Board the bus.
Board the bus.
Get off the bus.
Get off the bus.
Approach the bus stop.
Approach the bus stop.
Item.
Item.
Product.
Product.
Goods.
Goods.
Merchandise.
Merchandise.
Look in the shop window.
Look in the shop window.
Do some window shopping.
Do some window shopping.
Be on display.
Be on display.
Be displayed for sale.
Be displayed for sale.
Items on the shelves.
Items on the shelves.
Shop for clothes.
Shop for clothes.
Try on a jacket.
Try on a jacket.
Make a purchase.
Make a purchase.
Pay a cashier.
Pay a cashier.
Use a cash register.
Use a cash register.
Arrange items on the shelf.
Arrange items on the shelf.
Move a cart.
Move a cart.
Push a cart.
Push a cart.
Reach for an item.
Reach for an item.
Examine a product.
Examine a product.
Weigh some vegetables.
Weigh some vegetables.
Set the table.
Set the table.
Arrange the chairs.
Arrange the chairs.
Be set for a meal.
Be set for a meal.
Pour water into a glass.
Pour water into a glass.
Fill a cup.
Fill a cup.
Order a meal from the menu.
Order a meal from the menu.
Take an order.
Take an order.
Write down an order.
Write down an order.
Carry dishes.
Carry dishes.
Serve the table.
Serve the table.
Serve meals.
Serve meals.
Clear the dishes from the table.
Clear the dishes from the table.
Wipe the table.
Wipe the table.
Construction site.
Construction site.
Under construction.
Under construction.
Operate the machine.
Operate the machine.
Pave the road.
Pave the road.
Work with a tool.
Work with a tool.
Use a tool.
Use a tool.
Wear protective glasses.
Wear protective glasses.
Push a wheelbarrow.
Push a wheelbarrow.
Paint a wall.
Paint a wall.
Climb up the ladder.
Climb up the ladder.
Lay bricks.
Lay bricks.
Building materials.
Building materials.
Heavy machinery.
Heavy machinery.
Load boxes.
Load boxes.
Unload boxes.
Unload boxes.
Load A into B.
Load A into B.
Unload A from B.
Unload A from B.
Carry a box.
Carry a box.
Pile up the boxes.
Pile up the boxes.
A pile of boxes.
A pile of boxes.
Warehouse.
Warehouse.
Repair a car.
Repair a car.
Check the engine.
Check the engine.
Bend over a car.
Bend over a car.
Clean up the garage.
Clean up the garage.
Cut the grass.
Cut the grass.
Mow the lawn.
Mow the lawn.
Sweep the path.
Sweep the path.
Holding in a hand. Opening the bottle's cap. Pouring something into a cup. Looking at the monitor. Examining something. Reaching for the item. Carrying the chairs.
Climbing the ladder. Speaking into the microphone. Conducting a phone conversation. Working at the computer. Cleaning the street. Standing beneath the tree.
1. The woman is sweeping the street. 2. She's taking a photograph of the artwork. 3. A man is tying a boat at the dock. 4. A man is feeding the birds by hand. 5. He's viewing arts in the museum. Shaking hands. Chatting with each other. Facing each other. Sharing the office space. Attending a meeting. Interviewing a person. Addressing the audience. Handing some paper to another. Giving directions. Standing in line. Sitting across from each other. Looking at the same object. Taking the food order. Passing each other. Examining the patient.
1.
Customers are waiting in line for a table.
2.
They are taking escalators to the next floor.
3.
They are resting on a bench.
4.
People are shopping for groceries.
5.
People are sitting side by side.
Be placed on the table. Be being sliced. Have been arranged in a case. Be being loaded onto the truck. Have been opened. Be being weighed. Be being repaired. Be in the shade. Have been pulled up on a beach. Be being towed. Be stacked up on the ground. Be covered with the carpet.
1. The cars are parked along the street. 2. The chairs are unoccupied. 3. The boats are lined up at the dock. 4. The goods are on display. 5. All the boxes are filled with fruit.
Overlooking the river. Be floating on the water. Look toward the mountain. Walking into the forest. Planted in rows. Watering plants. Mowing the lawn. Gazing in the field. Being harvested. There is a flower bed. Weeding in the garden. Raking the leaves. There is a skyscraper.
1. The clouds have settled onto the hilltop. 2. The buildings rise above the hills. 3. The plane is flying over the trees. 4. The group is hiking through the forest. 5. The houses are reflected in the water.
Copier. Make a phone call. Unoccupied desk. Workstation. Do the paperwork. Distribute the papers. File cabinet. Enter the office. Drawing table. Hang up the phone. Hand the paper. Phone someone. View some documents. Look into the drawer. Read through pages. Read from the screen. Address. Office supplies. Face the screen directly. Talk in a discussion. Reach into the cabinet. Attend the conference. Check information. Deliver the speech. Turn the newspaper. Fix the fax machine. Type on the keyboard. Share the office space. Conduct a conversation. Organize the paper. Pull out of the water. Be piled up. Porch. Doorway. Be placed. Be on display on the rack. Take a food order. Serve food. Be loaded with cargo. In front of. Near. Wallpaper. Kitchen utensils. Look into the store. Decide what to eat. An outdoor shop. Try on a pair of shoes. Tie up a boat. Pay for the products. On both sides. Lead up to. Be stocked with items. Headboard. Be sorted into boxes. Centerpiece. Be displayed for sale. Browse the shelves. Do grocery shopping. Be laid out. Chop vegetables. Walk down the street. Operate heavy machinery. Driveway. Inspect the car. Motorist. Pull into. Resurface the road. Wait at the taxi stand. Repair the lamppost. Be under construction. Push the wheelbarrow. Change a flat tire. Wait at the curb. Be lined up. Intersection. Into the distance. Runway. Climb onto the roof. Use a hammer. Climb the ladder. Get out of the taxi. Board the train. Sweep the road. Final destination. Lay a concrete sidewalk. Be on the crosswalk. Overpass. Wait to cross. Be under renovation.